Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Do you have an A90 or A91 Supra with a big ugly box? I'm going to show you how to go from something like this to something like this. Let's get into it. So this problem shouldn't have existed in the first place. So when you pick up your car or you buy a second-hand car, this is the box that the dealership will provide. You put your plates on and you see something wrong. It's way too big, it's too much excess material. It doesn't really suit Australian number plates. Maybe if you have a Euro plate. The solution, get our delete kit. This replaces this entirely. It's a straight bolt-on. And then from there, get a number plate bracket to suit your number plate style, which I'll explain a bit later. Everything bolts together and you get a nice, clean, floating look like that. To start with the install, all you gotta do is take this plinth off. It's just 4 screws here with a Phillips head screwdriver. There's a few different scenarios when it comes to installation. So if you're like this customer where you already have the box fitted to the car, this will become a direct bolt-on. So these 2 holes line up with that, bolt straight on, and we'll give you little dress-up screws to cover up the excess screws on the side which you don't need. If you're buying a brand new car and the dealership hasn't drilled any holes yet, what you want to do is, number 1, tell them don't drill the holes. Give them this part, put them in their hands and they'll install it for you. The best way to put the holes in accurately is to use this as a template only. What I mean is, you line this up, it only goes on one way, like that to it. Where is it? Like that. Drill the top 2 holes, and that way you know it's quite centered and accurate, and then you transfer this onto this. You do it that way, you won't have the 2 spare holes there. So now that this car did have that, we've removed it, this can bolt straight on using the screws provided. Being a 2-part mounting solution, you will need to grab yourself a number plate bracket to suit your number plate style. So for example, if we're putting on slimline plates, you grab yourself a slimline bracket. If you've got a signature plate, you grab a signature bracket, and we've got brackets to suit all plates around Australia in all states. So in this car, we'll be installing deluxe slimlines in this case, and we'll be grabbing a slimline bracket to bolt onto the plinth. Last step is to just mount your number plate using your screws provided. And there you have it. We've gone from big and ugly to something clean like this. Now this will suit A90 and A91 Supras, and remember, you do need to grab yourself a number plate bracket to match your number plate style and the plinth as a 2-part mounting system. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.